Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will see factor theorem. Yesterday we have seen remainder theorem. So here in this factor theorem, factor means, for example, here we have 25 is one of the number, and if it is divided by 5, then we will get the remainder 0. Correct? Means we can say that 5 is a factor of 25, because after dividing that 25 by 5 we get remainder 0. Okay, so likewise, if this polynomial in x, if it is divided by one of the divisor, suppose it is x plus a, then here after putting the value, opposite value of that divisor in that polynomial, if we are getting remainder 0, then we can say x plus a, means that divisor, it is the factor of that polynomial. Understood what I said? If p of x, means polynomial in term of x, if it is divided by one of the divisor, its name is x plus a, means by putting the opposite value of this plus a, that is minus a, in place of the variable, if we are getting 0 as a remainder, then we can say that divisor, means x plus a, is the factor of that polynomial. So based on this concept, we are going to learn few examples. See, the first question based on this concept of factor theorem is, verify that x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial x cube plus 4x minus 5. Means we have to verify, or we have to prove that x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. It means what? If this polynomial is x cube plus 4x minus 5, that is polynomial in x. So polynomial in x is x cube plus 4x minus 5. If this polynomial, if we are dividing by x minus a, so here divisor is x minus a, so its opposite number we will take as plus 1. X minus 1 is a divisor, so we are taking plus 1 is a value for the variable x, and after putting this value here in place of x, if we are getting remainder 0, then we can say x minus 1 is a factor of that polynomial. Means here we are dividing this polynomial by x minus 1. So right here, therefore p of plus 1. Why we are taking plus 1? Because it is opposite number of that minus 1 which is there in the divisor. So while putting any value, while replacing any variable by the number, that number's opposite sign we have to take here. So here if it is minus 1, then we will have to take here plus 1. So p of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 4, then again multiplied by 1 minus 5. So right, therefore p of 1 is equal to cube of 1 is 1 plus 4 ones are 4 minus 5. Now write therefore p of 1, that is polynomial in 1, 4 plus 1 5 minus 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So here remainder is 0, remainder and the value of the polynomial both are similar. So it is the value of the polynomial as well as it is the remainder of that polynomial after dividing by divisor. Okay. So the remainder is 0, and that's why we can say x minus 1 is a factor of that polynomial. So right, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Say therefore x minus 1 is a factor of which polynomial? X cube plus 4x minus 5. Understood? So what is meant by factor? Factor means after putting that divisor in place of the variable, if you are getting 0 is the answer, or 0 is the value of that polynomial or the remainder, then we can say that divisor, second polynomial, is the factor of that first polynomial. Okay. Next question, also based on factor theorem. The question is, check whether x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus x square minus 4. Means we have to check that this x minus 2 is a factor, or means this polynomial x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Here factor of the polynomial means what? After putting the value of the opposite number of this x minus 2, if we are getting remainder 0, then we can say x minus 2 is a factor of that polynomial. Means to decide whether x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, we have to substitute its opposite number. Means actually we have to divide this polynomial by x minus 2. Okay. Now say here polynomial in x is polynomial in x means p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 4. It is polynomial in x. Now we are replacing this x by opposite number of this minus 2, that is plus 2. So say therefore p of plus 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 square minus 4. Okay. Now write therefore p of 2 means polynomial in term of 2. Here cube of 2 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 minus here square of 2 is 4. Then here further minus 4. Now write therefore p of 2 is equal to 8 minus 4 together minus 8. So write therefore p of 2 is equal to 8 minus 8 0. So here value of this polynomial after putting x is equal to 2 is 0. Means the remainder is 0 here. That is only the value of that polynomial after putting the divisor. Okay. So here remainder is 0. That's why by using factor theorem we can say x minus 2 is a factor of that polynomial. So write remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Say therefore by factor theorem x minus 2 is a factor of polynomial. Which polynomial? To which we have divided now, that is x cube minus x square minus 4. Okay. X cube minus x square minus 4. So here if you are getting remainder 0, then only you can say that divisor is a factor of the polynomial. Understood? In this question, x minus 1 is the factor of polynomial. Means it is already said that the x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square plus mx minus 4. And here we have to find the value of m. So here by using factor theorem, if we are substituting if we are replacing this x of the polynomial by opposite number of minus 1, that is the plus 1, then we will get remainder 0. Means that value we will equate with the 0. That remainder in the form of m we will equate with 0, because here x minus 1 is the factor of polynomial. It is already given in the question. So write first polynomial in x, that is p of x, polynomial in x is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus mx minus 4. Now replace this variable x by opposite number of this factor, which is x minus 1. So its opposite number is plus 1. So p of 1 is equal to, wherever x are there, we will replace that x by 1. So write here 1 cube minus 2, again here 1 square, then plus m, again multiplied by x means multiplied by 1 minus 4. Okay. Now say p of 1 is equal to, cube of 1 is 1, again square of 1 is 1 and 2 ones are 2 means minus 2, then further plus m ones are m and minus 4. Okay. Now write therefore p of 1 is equal to, see here 1 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 4, it is minus 5, means it is m minus 5. Understood how? See 1 minus 2, so it is minus 1 and minus 1 minus 4, because of similar sign they will add as minus 5. So it is the value of the remainder, that is the value of the polynomial after putting x is equal to 1. So highlight this, that p of 1 means value of the polynomial is m minus phi. But here it is said in the question that x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. So remainder must be 0. So write, but x minus 1 is a factor of x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial. Which polynomial? Factor of polynomial x cube minus 2x square plus mx minus 4. Now write, therefore remainder must be 0. Say remainder. Which remainder? Remainder is p of 1. So you show here, that is p of 1. Remainder, that is say p of 1 must be 0. Okay, must be 0. Now we will equate this p of 1 with 0. Say therefore m minus phi, which is p of 1 means polynomial in 1, that is value of the polynomial after putting x is equal to 1. So here say therefore p of 1 is equal to 0. Say therefore m minus phi, which is the value of p of 1, is also equal to 0. Now say therefore m is equal to, now we are taking minus phi to that side, so it became plus phi. So what is the value of this other variable, that is m, in this polynomial? The value of this m is phi after putting x is equal to 1 in that polynomial. Understood? So likewise you can solve any question based on this concept of factor theorem. So factor theorem means it is very easy, that after putting the divisor in that polynomial, if we are getting remainder 0, then we can say that divisor polynomial is the factor of dividend polynomial. If you have any queries, you can text me, you can ask me. At the same time, your comments also you can mention in the comment box.